Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the Tulip Pro. Today, talking about paper whites. You see them in the pots, they're so wonderful. You see them as cut flowers. Sometimes it's fun to combine that use. Go ahead and remove them from the pot. Remove the soil. Get down to where you can see the roots. And then wash them off. Clean them up. Get them ready to work with. You can see this one's been totally cleaned. Then for designing, using wood picks, take 2 and just spear directly into the bulb and repeat. And then secure those with cold glue, and then you can design the bulbs directly into your arrangements. Now you know the pro technique.